these guys. Oh,
I think they're called YEEZY.
That's a box. I never get a box like this in my place. This is insane. Misty, you do this?
It's came in
What's
Kanye.
it? Boost?
They're YEEZY. YEEZY.
I'm sorry, guys. Seriously, you know me. I was listening. There's some green socks. This is here. I got the dogs here, so
Dogs.
that's what I'm gonna try to open up.
Mozzie, get over here. Move.
God. Okay.
Do you like it?
Oh,
Would you wear it? Is it look comfortable? What do you think?
Misty, what do you think? Who sent me these? Seriously, I don't know. Reebok?
Kim and Kanye.
Oh, Kim? Oh, man.
Right? Yeah.
Kanye? What the fuck, man? I didn't. Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Let's check this shit out. It's another box. Seriously, it's like a prop, guys. Seriously. You know me, I'm all real, right? I'm trying to open it up. Oh, my God.
He does not slide it. Wow, it's like Christmas.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God, man. Special made. Kanye, Kim. Oh, man.
Those are dope.
I don't know, man. I should sign these and give it back to you. And put it in your wall of fame in your life, brother. Oh, God, Lord. Thank you guys for one thing, even sharing your life with us. Thank you very goddamn much. Hopefully see you guys soon. But, oh, my God.
Isn't that nice?
Brother,
It's a
oh,
very
my God.
generous
It's
gesture.
soft. Jesus.
I know. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
We're gonna be wearing them next time, right?
Oh my God, yeah. And the airport's running. Oh my God, running. She got running. Oh my God, okay. Thank you guys, Kim, all the family of love. Thank you, Mr. West. Thank you guys. I hope we do well in success in Chicago and Wyoming and Montana.
Calabasas, LA.
Calabasas, LA. What do you want to do, man? Thank you for everything, man. Very special.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Kardashian family, we love you, man. Misty, Sacabano, we love you guys.